Time for today's Bart chart. What's next after the Nasdaq hits 5,000? It was 15 years in the making, and on Monday, March the 3rd, the Nasdaq Composite Index finally closed above 5,000, surpassing a level it exceeded on only 7 other days, all of them back in March 2000. Check out this chart. This is the Nasdaq going back all the way to early 2000. The record close was reached on March the 10th, 2000. That's the yellow circle there. 2 bull markets, and more than 4,500 days later, 5048.62. That's the number to watch. That was the number. That was the record set back there. The index is just 40 points, or less than 1% from that high, after closing on Monday at 5,008.096. And further gains are forecast. According to analyst price targets compiled by Bloomberg, the Nasdaq will climb 8.5% over the next 12 months to 5,433. Are there similarities, though, between now and the dot-com era? Well, after the Nasdaq peaked back in March 2000 and embarked, of course, on a 2.5-year, 78% decline, as you can see, that red line there in the left-hand corner, which ended on October the 9th, 2002. On evaluation basis, it trades at less than 32 times earnings versus a multiple of 175 in March 2000. And the pace of gains isn't close to the dot-com era. Over the 2 years leading up to the 2000 peak, the Nasdaq surged 189%. Nearly 50 stocks soared at least tenfold. Since the start of 2013, the index has risen 66%. No stock is up more than tenfold. The big difference, of course, between now and 2000 is back then investors snapped up internet companies with more promise than profit. Today's gains are built on earnings driven by demand for products like Apple's iPhone and Google's web search services. And of course, companies like Apple, like Intel, they're spending more money than anybody else to buy back shares. What's next after Nasdaq hits 5,000?